ready to build a career with one of the most recognizable names in insurance. Let's dive into how you can land a job at State Farm and get started on a rewarding career path. First, you'll want to head to the State Farm Careers website, easily accessible by a simple search. On the Careers page, you'll find a Search Jobs function. This is your starting point. Use keywords like agent, claims, underwriting, or browse by department to narrow down your options. Review the filters available. Check what kind of role you are searching for, such as full-time or part-time, to see your options. State Farm offers a huge variety of roles. Once you find a job that interests you, carefully review the job description. Take note of the required qualifications, preferred skills, and responsibilities. Be sure they match your experience. Now, it's time to apply. Most applications will involve submitting your resume, a cover letter, and answering some initial screening questions. The application process often involves interviews, both initial screenings and potentially more in-depth rounds. Research State Farm's values and be prepared to talk about your experience and how it aligns with their culture. State Farm's culture emphasizes community, teamwork, and helping others. Look for opportunities to demonstrate how you embody these traits. By following these steps and putting your best foot forward, you'll be well on your way to starting your career at State Farm. Best of luck with your job search. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more career tips. #job opportunities, #career path.